Students, expected outcome of today's lecture is you should easily remember the names and atomic numbers of lanthanoids. Before to actually start the discussion, I want a favor from you. Let us go through few images, few posts. Try to remember those posts. I assure you that work will help you to remember the names of lanthanoids and their atomic numbers and one more property of lanthanoids. When time will come, at that time we will discuss it in detail. But now what I expect from you? There will be two images. One image will be non-living thing. Other image will be a living thing or part of the living thing. And that living thing will be with color. So what you need to do? You need to remember this non-living thing. You need to remember this living thing and its color. These three things you try to remember. How to remember? I give you hint for that. Shall we start? Search how many slides will be there where you need to work? 15 slides will be there. So let us start. First slide. What is here? A non-living thing. ST. State transport. So just understand state transport is there. What is here? Living thing. Lamb. Then how you can remember these two things? Lamb is driving a ST. So likewise, you will remember both the things. By the same time, you need to work to remember color. What is the color of the lamb? White. So which are the three things to be remembered on this slide? One, ST, state transport. Other, white lamb. Is it clear? Similar pattern, as per your creativity, you need to remember. Only one slide explanation I had given to you. Other slides, images will be there. How to correlate them, how to remember them, that will be your creativity. Is it clear? Now, second slide. What is here in the second slide? A non-living thing. Sabja. In the cold drink that we use, no? That sabja is there, non-living thing. What is here? A living thing. CEO. Chief Executive Officer of the company. And which coat that CEO has wear? White. Number one, sabja. Number two, CEO. And number three, white. These are the three things to be remembered from this second slide. Now see third slide. What is here? A non-living thing. Yes, signatures are there. Signs. Signature. That's the understanding of this image. What is here? Bollywood actor. Pran. And what is the color of the wear of that pran? Green. So which three things we will remember from this third slide? Signature, pran and green. Now fourth slide. What is here? Coke. Living thing. Name of the scientist? Yes, actually Newton, but I made it Newton. You will understand the purpose for that later on. So Newton, what is the color of the hairs of the Newton? Red. Number one, what will remember from this? Coke. Number 2, Newton. And number 3, red color. Now see next slide. What is here? Yes, calendar. Second thing, our Prime Minister. Third thing, which color is there? Actually mixing is there. Yellow and pink. Next slide. What is here? Can. This is one kind of container. Can, a non-living thing. What is here? One person, a boy. Name is Sam, or you can say Samir. And what is the wear of him? Yellow. Number 1, can. Number 2, Sam. And number 3, yellow. These things to be remembered from this slide. Now let us see next slide. What is here? Cement, a person, European person. And what is the wear of that European person? Pale pink. Now let us see a next slide. What is here? A cafe, non-living thing. And here, God. What is the color? White or colorless. So which 3 things will you remember from this slide? Cafe, God and colorless. Now see the next slide. What is here? Cash. Here one patient is there and patient is doing one skin test. Which patient? TB patient. So this image is for TB patient. And what is the color here? Pale pink color. So 3 things: cash, TB patient and color pale pink. Now let us see next slide. What is here? Cycle. And here Princess Diana and color yellow. So which 3 things will you remember from this slide? Cycle, Diana. Spelling little bit I changed there. Purpose later on will be what clear. Color is yellow. Next slide. What is here? City. The image of the city. Here living thing, but image point of view only is shown there. Horse. And which colors are there on the horse? Yellow and pink. So which 3 things will you remember? City, horse, yellow, pink. Now see next slide. What is here? Cab, non-living thing. Here a part of the living thing. Ear. And what is the color of the ear? Red, red ear. Number 1, cab. Number 2, ear. And color is red. Is it clear? Now see the next slide. What is here? A cage, non-living thing. And here living thing, we say tulsi, but now I want to say tulsi. Tulsi. What is the color of the leaves of the tulsi? Green. So which 3 things will you remember? Cage, non-living thing. Living thing, tulsi, means you can say tulsi, and color green. Next slide. What is here? Toys. Toys are there. So toy you can consider, non-living thing. Here this personality is a singer, famous singer. Name is Yabba. What is the color of the wear? White. So what you need to remember? Toys, Yabba and white. Now last thing is a 15th slide. What is here? Yes, usual tile. And here, oh, some robber may be there. So I want to say Lutera. And police caught that Lutera. So for that I selected this image. What is the color here? White or colorless. So which 3 things will you remember from this slide? Tile, Lutera and colorless. Clear? Yes. Now our journey to remember the names will start. Students, Whatever the non-living things I have shown, no, these are the representations of atomic number. Whichever the living things I have shown, these are the symbols of elements. And colors whichever are asked you to remember, those are for tripositive ions. Now don't get confused by color, but will help you later on. Now we will discuss about this atomic number and symbol or name of the element. Now for atomic number, I have used a simple terminology. What I did, a number 0. 0 looks like O, no? So for 0, I considered O. For number 1, that 1 looks like small l. So 1 is equal to L, that I considered. Number 2 looks like N. So small n is considered. Number 3 looks like M. 4, a proper letter in English alphabet is not there. So first letter of the 4. So F is considered there. 5 S. 6 C. 7 T. 8 B, capital B. 9 small g. Are you getting this point? This will help you not only for these lanthanoids, but any element in the periodic table we are going to work. We are preparing our mnemonics. This you will not find otherwhere. This after experience from suggestions of the students, a mnemonics is prepared. So 0 means O, 4 means F, 6 means C, 7 means T, capital T, 9 means G. Okay. Now let us think about things which were there on the screen left side. Non-living things were there. What was there? The first ST was there. S and T means what will be there? S means 5, T means 7. So 57. Clear? Second was, which second image was there? Sabja. Sabja, S means 5 and B means no doubt is here B is small, but we are considering B means 8. 58. Third image was of signature, sign. So there S means 5, I no meaning, G 9. So 59. First two letters, first two numbers we are considering. Then oak spelling, C means 6, O means 0, over 60. Next was calendar. Calendar, C means 6, A no number, L yes 1. So it is 61. Are you getting? Likewise, now I go with numbers. 62. 62 means CN should be there. And for CN, which image was there? CN letter possessing image, right? Can was there. Can. Yes, are you getting? C means 6. A has no number. N means 2. Therefore, 62 was there. Next, for 63, C should be there. For 3, M. So CM possessing. Which image was there? CM possessing cement, right? 64, CF. Which image was there for 64? Cafe. Yes. 65, CS. Which image was there for 65? Cash. Yes. 66. Which image was there? Cycle. CC. 67, C and T. Which image was there? City. For 68. Which image was there? C and B. Cab. For taxi we say no, cab. CAB. C means 6, A means no number and B means 8. For 69, yes, C, and for 9, G. C9 possessing which image was there? Cage. Yes. 70. 7 means T, 0 means O. TO possessing toy was there. Now last. 71 means TL. For TL, tile was there. Tile. Yes, are you getting? Okay. Now let us see what are the names of lanthanoids or lanthanones. First, lanthanum. Second, cerium. Third, praseodymium. Fourth, neodymium. Fifth, promedium. Sixth, samarium. Seventh, europium. Eighth, gadolinium. Ninth, terbium. 10th, dysprosium. 11th, holmium. 12th, erbium. 13th, thulium. 14th, ytterbium. And 15th, lutetium. You can pause the video and read all the names. What are the symbols for them? Lanthanum, La. Cerium, Ce. Praseodymium, Pr. Neodymium, Nd. Promedium, Pm. Samarium, Sm. Europium, Eu. Gadolinium, Gd. Terbium, Tb. Dysprosium, Dy. Holmium, Ho. Erbium, Er. Thulium, Tm. Ytterbium, Yb. Lutetium, Lu. Now just revise. Which images were there? First image was living thing I am saying. Lamb. Lamb means La. Lanthanum. Second image was, yes, living thing I want. CEO. Cerium. Next was lamb, white color. CEO, white color or colorless. Third image was prawn. And what was the wear? Green wear was there. Next image was neodymium. Nd means what was there? Not Newton. Nudon. Nudon was there. What was the color of that nudon? Red. Next, promedium. PM is a symbol. Prime Minister. And which two colors were added with the Prime Minister? Yellow and pink. Next, samarium. SM. Who was there? Sam was there. And what was the wear of that Sam? Yellow. Next was europium. EU. What was the color added to that European? Pale pink color was there. Gadolinium. GD. God was there. What was the color? Colorless or white. Next, terbium. TB. TB is a representation symbol. So TB patient was there. Hand was shown. Where skin test was there. And what was the color of that hand? Pale pink.
Now, next element is dysprosium. Who was representing that dysprosium? Yes, Princess Diana. And what was the color related to her? Yellow color. Right.
Next, holmium. Horse was there. And what is the color of that horse? Color added to that horse. Two colors were there. Pink and yellow color were there. Next, erbium. Ear was there. And what was the color of ear? Red color was there. Thulium. Tm. Represent was Tulsi was there. Are you following? Color? Green color was there. Ytterbium. Yb. And for Yb, what was the one famous singer? Yabba. And what was the wear? White, or you can say colorless. Last was lutetium. And for lutetium, Lutera was there. And Lutera was prisoned. Or Lutera. And what was the color there? Colorless or white. Are you getting this point? So, if you want to remember the name of the element with atomic number 65, then what will mean 65? 6 means C, 5 means S, CS, CS means cash. And with cash, who was there? TB patient was there. Terbium. Are you getting? So, those slides are there. Let us revise them again. First slide, or ST, lamb, lanthanum. Next, sabja. And with sabja, CEO. What is the color? White or colorless. Third one, signature. Atomic number signature SIGN. G means 8 and S means 5. 5, 8. And here, which signature who was there? Pran. Pran means praseodymium. And color green. Next one, Coke. And with Coke who was there? Newton. And color red. Newton means neodymium. ND. Next one, calendar. With calendar, Prime Minister. PM. Calendar means 61. PM means promedium. And color yellow, pink. Next, 62 should be there. 62 means C and N. CN, can. Means for letter CN, the word was can. And for can, who was there? Sam. Color yellow. Next thing, atomic number 63. CM. For CM, what was there? Cement. And which cement was there? European person. Color added to the European person? Pale pink. Next, 64. 64 C and F, cafe. Here, God. Color white, gadolinium. Next, 65 C S, cash, TB patient. Color pink, terbium. Next, 66 C C, and for CC, what was the image? Cycle. And here, Princess Diana. And color adhered yellow. Which element? Dysprosium. Diana, dysprosium. 67 CT, city. Horse, HO, holmium. Color pink and yellow. 68 CB, for CB, cab. And for cab, ear. Ear means erbium. And so color red. ER, erbium. 69 CG, cage. Here, who was in cage? Or what we consider along with cage? Not Tulsi, Tulsi. TH, thulium. Color green. 70. 70 means T0. What was there for T0? Toy. Along with toy, what was there? Yes, Yabba, singer. So it is ytterbium. And color white or colorless. Now last, 71 TL, tile, lutera, lutetium. Color white or colorless. One more time, have a glance on all the atomic number and elements and respective colors. Students, revise this, but once you remember, it will be for longer duration. Learn with fun, that was the intention. So, I was with the learning expected outcome. You should know the elements with atomic number. Is that expected outcome fulfilled? Be free to put your comments. Now in the next part, we will see electronic configurations of these elements. If you know atomic number, if you know names, electronic configurations we can discuss in next part. See you then. Bye.